bafethu abudede ubuhlanga ebantwini abamnyama bebodwa mabudede ubuhlanga lento yokuthi ndingumXhosa ayisebenzi lento yokuthi ndingumZulu ayisebenzi lento yokuthi mina ndingumVenda ayisebenzi bafethu asenzeni into eyi-1 singabantu apha siphila khona ukuze wonke amadabi esiwalwayo sikwazi ukuwanqoba. Now ngokwensukwana nje phakela umthakathi sowuzibona into yoba umkhulu kodlula wonke umuntu elizweni. Insukwana nje zimbalwa ne-followers ubone wena into yoba umkhulu kodlulayo ubuyintoni wena? Uyintoni wena? Uyintoni wena nje uyintoni? Yintoni into yiyo? Because ndijonga nje mina kwasilatha esihambayo senza into esingayaziyo. Ekugqibeleni bhuti respecta xa kukhona into oyenzayo uyenzela uluntu and bonke abantu bahloniphe ngendlela efanayo. Bahloniphe bhuti ngendlela efanayo. Ingabe ngumlungu, ingabe likhalathi, ingabe loluphi uhlobo lomuntu. Hlonipha bhuti if you are a leader. Ungalingi usenzele lonto. Ngicela into zakuthi sike simameleni apha lento ibangela into abandenzele video kaphakela umthakathi apha egezayo. Cela
Mandela must know that Mandela never owned all of us.
Exactly.
He owned his family.
He sold us.
Whatever he said to the foreigners, he was talking on behalf of his family, not us. Thina nje sihlangana noMandela. uMandela akayikho into akasenzela yona ngaphandle kokudansa nezingane zabelungu. By the way, guys, nibokwazi ukuthi thina abelungu sibathanda. Nezwa yini? Sicela ukunitshela thina singamaZulu. Abelungu thina sibathanda. Foreigners must know that Mandela never owned all of us.
Exactly.
He owned his family.
He sold us.
Whatever he said to the foreigners, he was talking on behalf of his family, not us. Thina nje sihlangana noMandela. uMandela akayikho into akasenzela yona ngaphandle kokudansa nezingane zabelungu. By the way, guys, nibokwazi ukuthi thina abelungu sibathanda. Nezwa yini? Sicela ukunitshela thina singamaZulu.
Uphakela umthakathi sebone into yoba umkhulu ezweni ngendlela emangalisayo. Sebone into yoba yena lo mgushuzo omncinanana nje we5 minutes sebone into yoba umkhulu kakhulu elizweni ade athi akahlangani noMandela. So bafowethu sukani ukwenza izinto esizawuthi xa sizenza sohlukane phakathi ngoba sokuhlukana phakathi uthi uyeza kufuneke sikuxhimfe ngamatye because uyadelela uyiyekile ngoku lento ibe right bekumele uba uyenze utshintshile ngoku ukhwela udilika ebantwini abadala okanye yilentshebe le ikwenza into yoba udelele wonke umuntu ungaboni bantu. Phakela umthakathi nothi kanjalo bhuti, nothi kanjalo bhuti, asihambi nje kanjalo. Hayi bhuti, asiyenzi ngolohlobo. Cinga bhuti apha engqondweni mayisebenze ingqondo yakho if ufuna ukwenza izinto eziright elizweni yethu. Ingqondo yakho at the same time mayisebenze bhuti, ayisebenze bhuti. Le ntshebe le ayizukwenza nix. Le ntshebe akho nto izakwenzela yona. Into esiyifunayo sifuna ukulungisa izwe lethu, kodwa xa uphinda ubandlulule kwawena ngokwezizwe uqale enye into bhuti, uqale enye into. And ke ngoku nakelishwa bhuti wami asizukuyeka thina, uyayibo. Nangeli xesha benizayo ibikukudelela nizofuna ukusithuka ekugqibeleni nisithuke ngale support esininike yona of which nithetha into right. Besiyiqonda bizaba njalo bhuti. Fusek.